Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Welcome to the Srimad Bhagavatam class. Today is Monday, 25th January 2016. So we start with our prayers. Narayanam namaskritya
Narayanam namaskritya
naram chaiva narottamam
naram chaiva narottamam
devim saraswatim vyasam
devim saraswatim vyasam
tato jayamudirayet
tato jayamudire
nashtaprayeshu bhadreshu
nashtaprayeshu bhadreshu
nityam bhagavata sevaya
nityam bhagavata sevaya
Bhagavati Uttama Shloke
bhagavati uttama shloke
Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki.
bhakti bhavati naistiki.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 12, Shloka number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sovadyat suter evam
So with after Suter evam
Pratyakhyatanushashanaihi
Pratyakhyatanushasane
Krodam durvishaham jatam
Krodam durvishanam jatam
niyantum upachakrame
niyantum upachakrame.
Sovadyata suter evam
So with Vidyata Suter evam
Pratyakhyatanushashanaihi
Pratyakhyatanushasane
Krodam durvishaham jatam
Krodam durvishaham jatam
niyantum upachakrame
niyantum upachakrame.
Diya nigrihamaanopi
Diya nigrahamanopi
Bhruvor madhyata prajapate
Bhuvor madhyat prajapate
Satyajayata tanmanyo
Satyajayata tanmanyo
Kumaro nilalohitaha
Kumaro nila lohitaha
Diya nigrihamaanopi
Ya nigraha manopi
Bhruvor madhyat prajapate
Bhuvor madhyat prajapate
Satyajayata tanmanyo
Satyajayata tanmanyo
Kumaro nilamo lohitaha
Kumaro nila lohitaha
Savairurodha devanam
Savairurodha devanam
Purvajo bhagavan bhava
Purvajo bhagavan bhava
Namani kuru medhataha
Namani kuru medhataha
Sthanani cha jagadguru
Sthanani cha jagat guru
स वैरुरोध देवानां
स वैरुरोध देवानां
पूर्वजो भगवान् भवः
पूर्वजो भगवान् भव
नामानि कुरु मे धातः
नामानि कुरु मे धातः
स्थानानि च जगद्गुरो
स्थानानि च जगद्गुरो
इति तस्य वच पाद्मो
इति तस्य वचः पाद्मो
भगवान् परिपालयन्
भगवान् परिपालयन्
अभ्यदाद् भद्रया वाचा
अभ्यधात् भद्राय वाचा
मारोदिस्तत्करोमि ते
मारोदिस तत् करोमि ते
इति तस्य वच पाद्मो
इति तस्य वचः पाद्मो
भगवान् परिपालयन्
भगवान् परिपालयन्
अभ्यदाद् भद्रया वाचा
अभ्यधात् भद्रया वाचा
मारोदिस्तत्करोमि ते
मारोदिस तत् करोमि ते
यद अरोधि सुरश्रेष्ठ
यद अरोधि सुरश्रेष्ठ
सोद्वेग इव बालकः
सुद्वेग इव बालकः
ततस्त्वाम् अभिधास्यन्ति
ततस् त्वाम् अभिधास्यन्ति
नाम्ना रुद्र इति प्रजाः
नाम्ना रुद्र इति प्रजाः
यद अरोधि सुरश्रेष्ठ
यद अरोधि सुरश्रेष्ठ
सोद्वेग इव बालकः
सोद्वेग इव बालकः
ततस्त्वाम् अभिधास्यन्ति
ततस् त्वाम् अभिधास्यन्ति
नाम्ना रुद्र इति प्रजाः
नाम्ना रुद्र इति प्रजाः
श्यामा माधवी माता जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण।
सोऽवद्यतः सुतैरेवम्
सोऽवद्यात् सुतैरेवम्
प्रत्याख्यात अनुशासनै
प्रत्याख्यातानुशासनै
क्रोधं दुर्विषहं जातं
क्रोधं दुर्विषहं जातं
नियन्तुम् उपचक्रमे
नियन्तुम् उपचक्रमे। सीता माता जी।
हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण।
धिया निगृह्यमाणोऽपि
धिया निगृह्यमाणोऽपि
भ्रुवोर्मध्यात् प्रजापतेः
भ्रुवोर्मध्यात् प्रजापतेः
सद्यो जायत तन्मन्युः
सद्यो जायत तन्मन्यो
कुमारो नीललोहितः।
कुमारो नीललोहितः। कमलिनी माता जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण।
सतैरुरोढ देवानां
सवैरुरोध देवानां
पूर्वजो भगवान् भवः
पूर्वजो भगवान् भवः
नामानि कुरु मे धाता
नामानि कुरु मे धातः
स्थानानि च जगद्गुरो
स्थानानि च जगद्गुरो। वेमावर्धिनी माता जी। हरे कृष्णा। Mataji, iti tasya vacha padmo
इति तस्य पाद्मो
Bhagavan paripalayan
भगवान् परिपालयन्
abhyadad bhadraya vacha
भद्रया वाचा
marodistat karomite.
मारोति करोमि ते
Saha
सः
hi
हि
Brahma
ब्रह्म
avadhyatah,
अवध्यातः
thus being disrespected,
thus being disrespected
sute
sute
by the sons,
by the sons
evam
evam
thus
thus
pratyakhyata,
pratyakhyata
refusing to obey,
refusing to obey
anushashanai,
anushasane
the order of their father,
the order of their father
krodham,
krodham
anger,
anger
durvishaham,
durvishayam
too much to be tolerated,
too much to be tolerated
jatam,
jatam
thus generated,
thus generated
niyantum,
niyantam
to control,
to control
upachakrame,
upachakrame
tried his best.
tried his best
On the refusal of the sons to obey the order of their father, there was much anger generated in the mind of Brahma, which he tried to control and not express. On the refusal of the sons to obey,
on the refuse of the sons to obey
the order of their father,
the order of their father
there was much anger generated
there was much anger generated
in the mind of Brahma,
in the mind of Brahma,
which he tried to control and not express.
which he tried to control and not express.
Purport. Brahma is the director in charge of the mode of passion of material nature. Therefore, it was natural for him to become angry on the refusal of his sons to obey his order. Although the Kumaras were right in such acts of refusal, Brahma, being absorbed in the mode of passion, could not check his passionate anger. He did not express it, however, because he knew that his sons were far enlightened in spiritual advancement, and thus he should not express his anger before them. Diya,
Diya
by intelligence.
by intelligence,
Nigrahya
Nigrahyamanah
being controlled.
being controlled,
Api,
Api
in spite of.
in spite of,
Bhruvo,
Bhruvo
of the eyebrows.
of the eyebrows,
Madhyat,
Madhyat
from between.
from between,
Prajapate,
Prajapate
of Brahma.
of Brahma,
Sadyah,
Sadhyah
at once.
at once,
Ajayata,
Ajayata
generated.
generated,
Tat,
Tat
his.
his
Manyu,
Manyu
anger.
anger,
Kumarah,
Kumarah
a child.
a child,
Neela Lohitah,
Neela Lohita
mixture of blue and red.
mixture of blue and red.
Although he tried to curb his anger, it came out from between his eyebrows, and a child mixed blue and red was immediately generated. Although he tried to curb his anger,
Although he tried to curb his anger,
it came out from between his eyebrows,
it came out from between his eyebrows,
and a child mixed blue and red
and a child mixed blue and red
was immediately generated.
was immediately generated.
The face of anger is the same whether exhibited due to ignorance or knowledge. Although Brahma tried to curb his anger, he could not do so, even though he is the supreme being. Such anger in its true color came from between the eyebrows of Brahma as Rudra in a mixed color of blue, ignorance, and red, passion, because anger is the product of passion and ignorance. Take the number 8. Saha,
Saha,
he, Vai,
Vai,
certainly,
certainly,
Rurod,
Rod,
cried loudly, Devanam Purvajah,
Devanam Purvaja,
the eldest of all Devatas,
the eldest of all Devatas,
Bhagavan,
Bhagavan,
the most powerful,
the most powerful,
Bhavaha,
Bhavaha,
Lord Shiva,
Lord Shiva,
Namani,
Namani,
different names,
different names,
Kuru,
Kuru,
designate,
designate,
Me,
me,
my, Dhataha,
Dhata,
or destiny maker,
O destiny maker,
Sthanani,
Sthanani,
places,
places,
Cha,
Cha,
also,
also,
Jagat Guru,
Jagat Guru,
O teacher of the universe.
O teacher of the universe.
After his birth, he began to cry, O destiny maker, teacher of the universe, kindly designate my name and place. After his birth, he began to cry,
After his birth, he began to cry,
O destiny maker,
O destiny maker,
teacher of the universe,
teacher of the universe,
kindly designate my name and place.
kindly designate my name and place.
We'll take number 9. Iti,
Iti,
thus,
thus,
tasya,
tasya,
his, vachaha,
vachaha,
request,
request,
padmaha,
padmaha,
one who is born from the lotus flower,
one who is born from the lotus flower,
Bhagavan,
Bhagwan,
the powerful,
the powerful,
Paripalayan,
Paripalayan,
accepting the request,
accepting the request,
Abhyadhat,
Abhyadat,
pacified,
pacified,
Bhadraya,
Bhadraya,
by gentle,
by gentle,
Vacha,
Vacha,
words,
words,
Ma,
Ma,
do not,
do not,
Rodhi,
Rodi,
cry,
cry,
Tat,
Tat,
that,
that,
Karomi,
Karomi,
I shall do it,
I shall do it,
Te,
Te,
as desired by you.
as desired by you.
The all-powerful Brahma, who was born from the lotus flower, pacified the boy with gentle words, accepting his request and said, do not cry, I shall certainly do as you desire. The all-powerful Brahma,
The all-powerful Brahma,
who was born from the lotus flower,
who was born from the lotus flower,
pacified the boy
pacified the boy
with gentle words,
with gentle words,
accepting his request
accepting his request,
and said, do not cry,
do not cry.
I shall certainly do as you desire.
I shall certainly do as you desire.
We'll take number 10. Yat,
Yet,
as much as, Arodhi,
Arodhi
cried loudly,
cried loudly,
Surashreshta,
Surashreshta,
O chief of the Devatas,
O chief of the Devatas,
Sa Udvegaha,
Sa Udvega,
with great anxiety,
with great anxiety,
Iva,
like
Balakaha,
Balaka,
a boy,
a boy,
Tataha,
Tataha,
therefore, Swam,
Swam,
you, Abhidhasyanti,
Abhidhasyanti,
will call,
Namna,
by the name,
Rudraha,
Rudra,
Rudra,
Iti,
Iti,
thus,
thus,
Prajaha,
Prajaha,
people.
people.
Thereafter Brahma said, O chief of the Devatas, you shall be called by the name Rudra by all people because you have so anxiously cried. Thereafter, Brahma said,
Thereafter, Brahma said,
O chief of the Devatas,
O chief of the Devatas,
you shall be called by the name Rudra
you shall be called by the Rudra,
by all people
by all people,
because you have so anxiously cried.
because you have so anxiously cried.
Shama Madhve Mataji, you can chant, please.
ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं तदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललितां श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्त राधा कान्ता नमोऽस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
हरे
Rama, Rama Rama,
राम
Hare
राम
Hare.
हरे
Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swaminiti Namine Nama Acharya Padaya Nitai Kripa Pradayane Bharakatha Damadaya Nagar Grama Tarine Sovadyata Suter Evam Pratyakhyata Nushasanai Krodham Durvishaham Jatam Niyantum Upachakrame धिया निग्रह्य माणोपि भ्रुवोर्मध्यात् प्रजापते सद्यो जायत तन्मन्यु कुमारो नीललोहितः स वैरुरोध देवानां पूर्वजो भगवान् भवः नामानि कुरु मेधातः स्थानानि च जगद्गुरो इति तस्य वच पाद्मो भगवान् परिपालयन् अभ्यदात् भद्रया वाचा मारोदीस्तत्करोमि ते यद आरोदीय सुरश्रेष्ठ स्वद्वेग इव बालकः ततस्त्वाम् अभिधास्यन्ति नाम्ना रुद्र इति प्रजाः। So Maitreya Rishi is now continuing his description about how Lord Brahma started generating other elements, other entities. So when the four Kumaras, they refused to obey the order of their father, who asked them to produce progeny, generate progeny. Naturally, Brahma being a jiva is likely to get angry. He's in the mode of passion, and his work is not getting completed, and his sons are refusing. So naturally, you can see, you have put yourself in that position. So he became angry, but at the same time, he did not want to express it in the presence of his sons. He knew that his sons are very elevated. So he was somehow controlling. But when you try to control artificially, then it comes out from somewhere else, Sometimes the brain can burst, like try to hold the anger. It's like that. So here, as he was controlling, from between his eyebrows, a blue and red colored child appeared. And because he was produced out of anger, he was crying. He's crying loudly. Of course, every baby cries. But generally, when Brahma was born, we don't see any description of his crying. He was born from the lotus feet and a lotus flower, and he did not cry, at least not to our knowledge. But here, since this situation came like that, and then the baby is born, the baby is crying, and not only crying, the baby asks, "Give me some. Who am I? Give me some name. Give my identity. Who am I?" And Brahmaji just says, he gives him an appropriate name because he says, "You are crying so much. So you will be known as Rudra." Rudra word comes from Ruruda, crying. And then, of course, here two things come, which is like Bhavaha is Lord Shiva, and Brahma calls him Sura Shrestha. Shrestha means the best among the Devatas. Sura is Surara Devatas, devotees. So he's been already branded like that. He's been said that you are the best of the devotees, best of the devotees of the Lord. Of course, because the Devatas are in that category, we call them also Sura. But Sura actually extends to all the devotees also. That's why Sura and Asura, godly and demoniac. Even in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna distinguished like that, Sura, Asura. So this is a very significant instance in the history, because we know how Lord Brahma appeared. A lot of time people ask this question, how Lord Shiva appeared? Because if Krishna was there in the beginning all alone, then Shiva has appeared sometime later. So of course, the devotees of Shiva, Shaivites, they will not accept, because for them he is the Parameshwara, he is the Ishvara. But you can see here that Prabhupada did not go into any purports, details about trying to explain. So he just taken it as an historical fact. That's it. We should also take it like that. We should not get too much involved. We know that he is the greatest, Lord Shiva is the greatest devotee, he is the greatest Vaishnava. And we worship him like that, we respect him like that. Because if he is a Shrestha, Sura Shrestha, then we have to do nothing but respect. And we have to worship him to give us the same strength, the same devotion that he has for his Lord. And he will grant it. He is Ashutosha. So he will grant. So ask something which is valuable. And then of course, in the Puranas, there, when we talk of 33 Koti Devatas, the 11 of them are Rudras. So there are different Rudras. So one of them is Lord Shiva also. And then some places it says the Rudras are expansions of Lord Shiva. So it's like same thing, and like Krishna's expansions, So Krishna is also one of them when he comes himself. So this way only we have to understand, rather than speculate, get into arguments, etc. Just go by the scriptures. Guru Sadhu Shastra. So here we are hearing from the Shastra, and then we are hearing from our Acharya. We just take it like that. So thank you very much. I'd like to stop here. If you have any question, comment, we can take it. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
You said there are 11 Rudras, right, Prabhuji?
Yeah.
They were all born at, they were all born at the same time as you
No.
described.
No. They're different.
Oh.
Different times. Different. Like Hanumanji is also one Rudra.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like that. There are 11 Rudras. There are names. Actually, I should have mentioned them, but if you are on the Facebook, recently I have posted one 33 Koti Devatas. In that category you will see 11 Rudras.
Okay, Prabhuji, I'll say that.
Yeah. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Sita Mataji.
Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna.